All right. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the progress. We're getting ready with the vehicle. I cannot complain. It takes longer than expected. Mechanic promised me a 2 weeks job. It turned into a month. He says he doesn't want to do it halfway. He needs to do it perfect. So bear with him. He says he's gonna work on it at least another week from what he says. I thought they were getting ready for paint at least probably tomorrow. No paint job yet. He says at least a week. He says the small body parts like fenders, flares, all those stuff need to be prepped for we can start the painting. Still working on the 80 series. I thought I was about to show you a finished product, and you guys have to bear with me. This is a work in progress. More work. Based on my mechanic, this is going to be another week of work. Prep. Okay, so sanded. Okay, if you guys want to see the complete work round of this vehicle, before I give it to the mechanic for this paint job, I have the video already on YouTube. I give it work round. I show everything. The engine is still stock, straight 6. You know, the bulletproof 80 series engine on there. And I promise you soon I'll get new tires. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get new rims. I know those rims probably I can paint them. I'm not sure. Let's speak to my mechanic to see if he can do a better job than I do, but you know, I can find him, try to get a better color, gold or matte black or something. You know, if you send me, you know, a comment and let me know what should I do with this, those wheels, those chrome wheels. You know, let me know what can we do. Okay, so all right, this is not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be a short one, but I want to show you the progress of the truck. Okay, let me show you the roof. Gentleman is already working on it. Those are the working part of the roof. I have the glass at home. And so far, the only complaint is it takes longer, but hey, it looks like they're doing a good job. And that's it. No land overlaid. No land overlaid. 80 series Toyota Landcruiser. All right. Until next time.